unstable throughout the first quarter of 2024. This was despite the authorities' efforts to optimize production. In order to regularize the situation, the Nigerian government aims to increase the country's oil production to 1.7 million barrels per day. Speaking on Nigeria's oil production dynamics on Saturday, April 13, the Minister of State for Petroleum, Heineken Lokpebiri, revealed the federal government's ambition to increase the country's oil production to 1.7 million barrels per day. The state comes after the first quarter of 2024, in which crude oil production trends have been erratic across the board, with an average of 1.64 million barrels per day in January 2024, 1.32 million barrels per day in February, and 1.23 million barrels per day in March 2024. While crude oil production in Africa's largest oil-producing country has been steadily declining, mainly due to problems with Trans-Niger pipeline, Minister Lokpebiri is counting on the turnaround. It is worth noting that in December 2023, OPEC reduced Nigeria's production quota from about 1.8 million barrels per day to 1.5 million. The country's inability to meet this production quota is affecting its oil revenues at a time when crude oil prices are approaching $19 per barrel for a budget based on a barrel price of $77. Measures to stimulate investment in the oil and gas sector have also been adopted by the Nigerian government. Ultimately, these measures amend existing legislations to introduce tax incentive for the non-associated oil and gas projects, the midstream sector, and deeper water oil and gas activities.